Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into House World. And today people, we got another freebie for you all to check out, which is also awesome. Now you've seen this guy's work before. He goes by the name of Sergio. The watch face we reviewed was called P400 Flags. If you have not checked that watch face out, check it out. It was free for the taking. This one is no different. Just download before free eventually becomes paid. Let's check out this watch face. Now the name of this one is called Sports Master Plus. Very nice looking watch face. I like the detail. It's an analog / digital watch face. Now the look in the AOD mode is nice. You get a black and white red theme that's going on. I think I like the Gears 2 AOD mode a little bit better than the Gear 3, but they both do look nice. Now when the watch face is on, if you look up at the top, you will get info on miles walked or ran, your steps. You also get your heart rate, your day and your date, battery info. Everything you can ever need out of a watch face is right here for you. You get both. Listen up people, both 12-hour time and 24-hour in one place on one watch face. I thought that was awesome. I like the stylish hands as well. Now you get a classic traditional look out of this watch face, along with the fact that you get extras like your step status and things of that nature. And it is inactive, so if you tap in certain places, you can go into that particular application. Same thing with your step information and also your battery, which you don't really need to do because it also gives it to you right up front. If I tap on the 3, I can set an alarm. If I tap right here on the 9, I can't get my music player. If I single tap down at the bottom, I can change the color that's going around the index with a single tap. So that's not bad. Considering that this is free and it adds functionality, this is a nice watch face to have in your archives. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one, but we got one more for you all to check out, and it is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Let's check it out. Watch face number 2. Now number 2 is called Samurai 12 Hours Black and Orange. Now to really appreciate this watch face, people, you gotta download this. Check this one out in person because I'm telling you, this one is worthy of a download. All right, so with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, if you look at the watch face, the design is nice. It's analog / digital watch face. Now, even in the AOD mode, it looks super slick. I'm liking the look of the Gears 2 a lot better than that of the Gears 3, but they both are gonna give you exactly what you're looking for at a glance. Now, once the watch face is on, I like the layout. The design is really, really nice. Again, you're gonna get analog / digital. Your digital time is here. You're gonna get battery info, your heart rate. I like the dials, right? I like the design of the dials. Your date is up at the top. Your day of the week is down at the bottom. That's gonna be your second hand in that dial. Very nice look. I even like the look of the index. I thought the developer did an awesome job with this. And for a free watch face, it is getting 2 thumbs up in the door, people. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed these freebies. We got more freebies to come. Hopefully Samsung fixes the issue with the coupon code soon. And with that, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.